Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So just doing a couple more little quick videos on this unit, but I wanted to just throw something out there. If you're looking at your trailer for the first time and you're saying, wow, why do I got all these extra wires down here, right? So those extra wires basically come over here to this little guy right here. So if you see that green piece, which you can't see from the inside, that's basically your ABS sensor, your anti-lock brakes. So you see how that piece is right there. If you see that, you follow those wires down, that one solid wire, that's going to control to the ABS system. So, and then that's your, basically your positive and your negative that controls through your magnet. So, and the guy's got to finish putting this back on, but they're in the middle of doing a Wilburn pack. You can see all the stuff that they took out of the hub when they set it on the ground. They've already rinsed and stuff in a pan and sprayed it all off, but they're doing their cleanup on it. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. So if you see that green mark and you see those extra wires, that's just an identifier to let you know that you have the anti-lock brake systems put on these. So, okay. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching and hope you enjoy these. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.